Hello everyone, it's your girl here, Vkach. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to take you guys to the basics. I'm going to just show you how I apply my foundation to achieve that flawless skin-like look while I'm wearing my makeup. Foundation application to me is a key because for one to achieve that perfect makeup look, you really need to make sure that you set your base properly. Okay, so before I apply my foundation, I always want to make sure that I create a barrier between my skin and the makeup that I'm going to apply. So I do that by applying a primer. So today I'll be using this L'Oreal Paris Inflammable Mattifying Base. This is quite good for me because I've got oily skin, so it mattifies my skin, and my foundation really sits well and lasts longer when I apply this primer. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face. It makes my skin feel so soft, and it also leaves my skin looking matte. It has got that velvet texture to it, and when it comes to smell, it doesn't even have a smell. Okay, now that I'm done applying my primer, I'm going to take my foundation brush, and I'm going in with this Lancome Natural Light foundation, and I'm going to apply it on my face. Okay, so with this type of foundation, it's not a full coverage foundation. So if you're someone with scars and dark marks, I don't think this will be the best choice for you. Is it beautiful? Yes, it is, but not a full coverage foundation. So what I've discovered with foundations that, as for me, I've got oily skin, so if I apply water-based foundation, they really work well with my skin, unlike if I apply oil-based. So I think it is very important for you to really discover your skin type before you purchase your foundation, so that you can buy the best foundation that can really suit your skin type. Now that I'm done applying my foundation, I'm going to, let me just see if I've got some spots to cover. I only have got one here. So this is what I do. I'm going to take my concealer. So I'm taking this MAC in shade NW40. That's the one that I'm just going to apply. There is a dark spot right here. So I apply my foundation first before I conceal, because it's easier to see where you need to just put your concealer. I'm going to just take my beauty blender and make sure that I blend everything. With my beauty blender. And make sure that your beauty blender is damp so that it will not suck in all your foundation. Okay, now that I'm done applying my foundation, I'm going to highlight my under eye area with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Warm Honey. This is something that is optional. If you don't have dark circles, you can just skip this process and apply your foundation and you will be done. Okay, so now to set my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Coppelia transparent loose powder. Okay, so to set my foundation, I'm going to go in with the Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC, so that my foundation will not move. I'm going to just apply this all over my foundation. Okay, so setting your foundation, you can choose to use a loose powder or you can just go in with the pressed powder. Okay, now that I'm done applying my foundation, my skin looks flawless. My foundation is not cakey. I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be right back.